Okay, so let's say you just like open your TradingView app. So the first thing you have to do is you have to sign up on your TradingView app. So I think that's the reason why they are asking you to pay for like the premium version of it. So what you just like have to do is, this are all the default setting of TradingView. This is how it's going to look. So first thing first, you have to delete all these pairs that we have here. So we have the DXY, we have Apple, we have Tesla, we have Netflix. So all these pairs that we have here, you have to delete it all. So that's just like what you have to do first, like the first thing you have to do. So for me, you just like have to delete all the app that we have here. So the first one is this XPS 500. No, I think the first one, yeah. So the first one is this XPS 500. So come to this area here, you could see this recycle bin here. So you just click on it and delete all the pairs that we have at this point. So this is how you delete all the pairs. So after that, you delete this, just like delete all the pairs that we have on the screen. So you have to delete it all. So then you just like add it after you delete it also, you have to add it again. So you delete all the pairs that we have at this point, as you can see. So you delete all the pairs, and after that you now like add the pairs that you want. So after you are done deleting all the pairs that we have here, you can see that we have indices at this point. We have stock, we have futures, we have forex, and we have crypto. So what you have to do, these indices, stock, futures, and forex, these are the ones that you will use to like put a gap in between the pairs that you are trading. So for example, so let's say you want to add all the pairs at this point, you want to add like the pairs to your watch list. So click on this plus icon and then search for the pairs that you want to add to the list. So let's say you wanted to add EURUSD. So if you had EURUSD, and if you want to add any pair, so the broker that you should be choosing is this FXCM. So you can either go with FXCM or Oanda or forex.com. So these are the best brokers and they are the ones that have the best charts, like the best forex charts. So these are the two brokers that have the best charts here. So you either click on for FXCM or you click on Oanda or you click on forex.com. But for me, I usually go with like that this particular one, which is the FXCM. So you click on the plus button and then it will automatically add to your home screen as can. So it's going to add at this point. So this is going to be this is how it's going to be. So it will be at the watch list like this. So then we are adding the forex pairs. So let's like continue adding it. So after that, you can still click on this plus icon, then click on it and search for the second pair that you wanted to trade. So for this is going to be JPUSD, which is going to be the second pair, and then you go with this first one, which is FXCM. So you go with it, click on the plus sign. So after that, you can still like drag it to the up like this. So for you to drag it, just click on the pair and then push it back to the upside here. So we have USD, we have JPUSD. Then you can still add another pair, which is going to be, we can add gold. So you can add gold at this point. XAUSD. Okay, so we have gold at this point. You can also go with the FXCM and you can either go with the Oanda that we have here. So you can go with the FXCM, and after that you can still add the next pair that you wanted to add to the watch list, which is after JPUSD we have AUDUSD and we have NZUSD. So go with AUDUSD, click on the plus button. After that you search NZUSD. So you just like literally search any pairs that you want to add to your watch list. So click on it. After that you go with maybe USD card. You go with USD card and so click on the plus icon. So you can literally add enough pair that you wanted. So just like I did on mine, so you can add enough pair. So you can just like add all the pairs that you need, maybe be the crypto pairs, be the forex pairs. So you can literally add any pairs that you want. So that's like how to be about it. So let me add some more pairs. So let me add maybe the crypto pairs as well, so that I'll be able to differentiate it. So I'll be able to show you how to divide all the pairs into maybe 3 sections or maybe 2 sections. So they are not just going to be at one place. So we have, so I think it's okay like this. So just go with any broker that you want. Okay, so at this point, if you want to separate the forex apart from the crypto, so this is how you are going to do it. So just like I said, if you want to like push this, so we have AUD at this point and we have gold. So if you want gold to be at the top here, maybe at the top of AUD or at the bottom of GBUSD, just click on it and then bring it to the upside like this. So this is how it's going to be. And if you want it to be at the top of USD, click on it and then drag it to the upside again, and it's going to be at the top here. So you want to like have all the forex pair, you wanted to have it at the top. Then this forex that we have here, you click on it as well and then drag it to the upside, so it's going to be at the top here. So that will signify that all the pairs that we have here, they are forex pair. You know, we have forex, we have indices, we have stock, we have futures, and we have crypto. So if you want all the forex pairs to be just at a place like this, just as one area like this, so this is how you do it. So the forex that we have at this point, so you bring it at the top here. And if you want to differentiate between the crypto pairs as well, so that's how you are going to do it. So right here, AUD also is a forex pair, so you click on it and then drag it to the upside, put it below JPUSD and NZUSD. You click on it and then you drag it to the upside, put it below AUD and USD card is also a forex pair, so you drag it to the upside and then put it below it like this. So right now, if you now want like to differentiate it with a crypto, so if you want to differentiate it with a crypto pair, so this is just like how to do it. So you can bring this Bitcoin, bring it to the top here. So Ethereum as well, so bring it to the top here. So they are at like, I've already joined it together now. So if you want to differentiate it, like difference between maybe crypto and the forex, so click on this crypto that we have here, then drag it to the upside and then put it in between Bitcoin and USD card. So it's going to be at the top, as you can see. So we have the forex pair at the top here and we have the crypto pairs at this point. So if you had maybe indices at this point, so let's assume that you had US 30. So if you had US 30, which was also an indices, so let's click on the plus button and you had US 30. Click on the plus sign. Let's also have maybe XPS 500. So these are indices, and we can see had DXY, which was the US dollar, the DXY. So you can still have the DXY. So just go with any broker that you see here. So go with it, and then so right here we have already differentiate in between forex, and also we have differentiate in between crypto. So right now what we wanted to do is we have like wanted to differentiate between like the crypto pairs, the indices, and the forex. So we already differentiate in between the two here. So to differentiate, like to put like the indices at one place, so just click on this US 30, click on it and then drag it to the upside, so put it in below these indices. So also SPS 500, drag it to the upside, put it below US 30. DXY, drag it to the upside and then put it below like XPS 500 like this. So this way you already differentiate between like the forex pair, the crypto pair, and the indices. You can see we have forex at the top here, and also we have crypto at this point, and we have indices at this point. So if you want to add a stock market as well, so let's assume that you wanted to add Apple, like Apple stock. Okay, so let's like click on the plus icon. So if you wanted to add the Apple stock, you search for Apple and then you add it. So let's say you wanted to add Tesla as well. Okay, okay, so let's assume that you had the Tesla, and we have, let's add one more page, which is, we can just go with, what's it called, okay, we have it. So let's assume that you had these three stock. So since you want like to differentiate the stock market between the indices, so you want to have the stock in one place and then you want to have the indices at one place, so you drag this Apple stock, you drag it to the upside below the stocks that we have here, and also the Tesla, you drag it below the Apple, and the Verizon that we have here, you drag it below the Tesla that we have at this point. So now you have already differentiate in between the forex market, the crypto market, the indices, and also the stock market. So that's just like how to do it. So you can have more of forex markets here. So let's assume that okay, you wanted to add more forex markets. So let's say you had euro, ADGPY. Okay, let's click on the plus icon first so you can literally add enough pair that you want. So all you just have to do is sign up on, like, you need to sign up on TradingView first, so that way you can add enough pay even without you paying for the premium version of it. So you just like have to sign up first. After signing up with TradingView, so you'll be able to add all the pairs, and all the pairs that you have at the TradingView have before, so you have to delete it first. So after that, after you signing up, you have to delete all the pairs that you have at that point. After that, then you can go ahead adding the ones that you need and then differentiate it just like I already did here. So right here, let's add maybe 1 to 3 forex pair. So NZD JPY as well. We have NZD JPY, and also we have JPY. So click on the plus icon. Okay, so we already have all the new 3 forex pair that we wanted to add it. So it was currently at the bottom here, but we want to like put it at the forex section here, at this point here where we have all the forex pairs. So we want to put it here. So all you just have to do is click on ADGPY and then keep dragging it to the upside below this USD card. So you already put it here, and also NZJPY, you click on it and then you continue dragging it to the upside, and JPJPY you do the same as well. So click on it and then drag it to the upside below NZJPY. So that's how you go about it. You can see that I already had enough pairs. So if you want to still add more pairs, so you can still add it, but there is going to be a limit very soon. So if you have maybe, there's going to be a number of pairs that you can add. So after that, the limit is, but for now, you can add enough pair that you want. So any pair that you are looking at, so you can add it to your watch list. So if you are looking at the forex market, you can group the forex market as one place and then group the crypto market as one place, just like I did, and group the indices as one place, just like this, and the stock market as one place, just like this. So then if just like want to like check any of it, so just click on it and then analyze the market. So that's just like how to do it. So this is just like a new TradingView account, and this is just like how to go about it. So the first thing you have to do is, just like I said, you open an account on TradingView. So you open a new account on TradingView, then you come to this section here, you delete all the pairs that you have at this point when you just like open the account. So after that, you click on the plus icon to add the pairs that you wanted to trade, just like I already did. So after that, that's how you are going to differentiate, just like I explained. So if you have any questions, so just let me know after watching the video. So you can let me know if you have a question. So bye.